My name is Kombe Eugene. I'm a visual artist, full-time recycling discarded flip-flops into colorful portraits. It's a war that every country of the world is fighting. This is not just something that Africans are fighting. It's not something that is just about Nigeria. This is about the world. So one of the major reasons and one major purpose of my work is to manage this plastic pollution within my own environment. After I get them, I bring them into my studio for cleanup. So I clean them properly, I disinfect, I wash, so they become clean for my own safety. I've gotten positive response from people that have come in contact with my work. People have shown love and appreciation, and these are some of the things that have fueled my practice over time.